Hey guys, welcome back to Honeycomb. My name is Keo. Today we're going to be looking at this pair of sneakers. This is a Nike Dunk Premium. We'll unbox it, talk about the price and what you get for premium compared to some regular Dunks, and also why we got it for so cheap. Alright, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do click the subscribe button. It goes a long way for us. Click on the notification bell if you'd like. You don't have to, but it helps. Thumbs up, comment, all that stuff. Please help us is what I'm saying, because those things really do matter, and I would appreciate it very much. The guys here at Honeycomb would appreciate that very much. All right, let's dive into it. This is the Nike Dunk Low Premium PRM, so that's what that means. It says Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM, size 9.5 in Team Orange / Team Red. So the PRM stands for premium, and this pair retails for 6,100, I think, pesos. The regular pairs retail for 5,495 or 55. So open it up, regular Nike box, Nike sportswear box, I should say, and inside you have the sneakers. They come laced with the kind of red color, and then they come with an orange pair of laces as well. Let's talk about the details of the sneaker. Starting with the outsole, you have Nike Dunk Low Traction, kind of red. It's like a deep oxblood maroon color. It's regular Dunk traction, nothing really out the ordinary here. There's a little bit of speckling from what appears to be Nike grind in there. And then on the midsole, you start to see more of that speckling. Again, I think that this is definitely Nike grind being integrated into the outsole, into the cup sole, midsole section. So it's kind of in a yellow cream off-white color with those little speckles. And that's it. Very straightforward. When you move up to the upper is done in a single color, very high quality. As far as Nikes go, this is premium suede. Very nice, very soft, very supple, and they're not going to crease up, because really what causes the creasing on a lot of sneakers is that there's a leather layer and then there's a polyurethane plastic coating that goes over the top that creates a texture. And when you have suede, there's nothing to wrinkle. There's no polyurethane layer. There's no polyurethane layer that's flexing at a different speed from the leather. So what you end up with is a really nice leather that's not really gonna crease because of the material and how this material is structured. Now it's done in all one color. The tongue is a nylon tongue, Nike tab. Of course, Dunks don't have air, so it doesn't say Nike Air on it. And then the insole is stuck in, but from the side it looks not like an ortholite. It's definitely a foam insole. I'm not sure what's in there, but usually for a shoe like this, that insole is going to provide a lot of comfort, so I'm actually not surprised that it's not an ortholite. Now the swoosh is done in that red color, and the material is a cracked leather, so it's very similar to the Ama Manier cracked leather, and that goes on the swoosh to the back tab. You know, one of the differences between this sneaker and the other Dunk Retros is that this one actually has a swoosh debossed in the heel tab, as opposed to regular ones which have a Nike embroidered in there. So I took a moment to sneak this in. These are my Michigan Dunks. And we did an unboxing on this a couple years ago, and I've actually had these on display on a shelf. I relaced them with another pair of Air Max laces. So this is actually double laced. I thought that it would be a cool display item. So we've been doing that. And this sneaker actually does resell for quite a bit. And this one cost $5,500. This one costs $6,100. This one has way better materials, right? So I don't know if you remember, but in my unboxing, I showed that there's some leather here, leather impurities, or irregularities would probably be a better word, on this sneaker versus a really high quality leather sneaker, which you'd see in, say, the Airship. If you didn't watch that video, go to our channel and watch that video about the Nike Airships. This is a very standard leather on this sneaker, and most of the Dunks are like this. They charge a bit more for these for the premium materials, but these sit on shelves. In fact, I bought this for 2,000, I believe it's 2,400 pesos on sale during member days, and they were they're highly accessible, easy to buy. And that really isn't a factor of the materials or the quality of the sneaker. I mean, you even got the extra laces in this shoe. This one, I had to stick extra laces from another pair of shoes to get this look that I wanted. I think really the big difference between these two is just color blocking and why there's hype on this and not on this. That this one really sat in the Nike app for a long time, to the point where you could buy it for pretty much 60-70% off. If I remember correctly, it was on sale, and then because I got this together with the Tatum ones and a pair for my kid, these end up being such a steal because you could use a coupon code that brought the price even lower. So make sure that you download the Nike app and that you have it, and that as you browse it, even if you're not shopping, you're favoriting the items that you want, so that when the day comes that item's on sale or you have the cash to go out and spend on it, it's right there, it's easy for you to see. Or if there's like that kind of promo where like if you get 3, you can use a coupon code, you just gotta go to your favorites, select the 3 you want, and use the coupon code, especially if the sizes are running quickly, right? You want to be able to get to those items as fast as possible. That's a little life hack, little trick on how I'm able to get well-priced sneakers. And especially when you look at this and you see that this is a premium item for 2,000 pesos, it really makes you question why anyone would buy fakes, or this is cheaper than say a court borough, but it is a Dunk and it is very premium quality, head and shoulders above the court series of sneakers that Nike has. So I just want to pick them up, and I'll be rocking them, I'll be wearing them. Those who have been watching the channel for a few years now will know that me and orange sneakers, it's a thing. I've kind of softened up on buying them over the last few years, but back in full force today. These fit just like any other pair of Dunks, true to size, same as this one. Buy your true size. So I would like to know what your thoughts are. How come these two shoes perform so differently in terms of sales when this one is clearly better quality, made of better materials, but this one sits on shelves and this one flies off shelves? Is it just a colorway, or is there something more to it that I'm not getting? Follow along on Instagram. I'm at Teo Caution Instagram. Follow our studio here, Honeycomb Manila. And I wish you guys good luck. I wish you guys good health. Peace.